I'm okay today. I mean, kind of. Dude, I've been sneezing all day again. I'm not gonna let that bring me down. Yeah, I don't know, maybe there's some kind of hole and I have no idea, cause it's been like hard to breathe, and my nose has been weird, so I don't fucking know. Poland! No, I said Poland! Poland. Neuro has been too? Sneezing? Wait, what are you talking about? Check her Twitter. The other day, I sneezed so hard I broke my own face! Jesus Christ! Wait, that kind of makes sense for her though. Wait, and TP Frog drew that. He's been drawing everything she's saying in the tweets. That's so